Hello friends, good morning, how are you? In previous classes we have discussion about chemical equation of reaction, but today I I will discuss about hydrocarbon for class 10 and 12. The most important topics hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. What is hydrocarbons? Those compound containing carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. There are two types of hydrocarbons like saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbons, that means those organic compound containing single bond between carbon-carbon atom are known as saturated hydrocarbon, while those organic compound containing double bond and triple bond between carbon-carbon element are known as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Like saturated means a compound containing single bond like alkane. Unsaturated carbon, alkene, alkyne. Saturated alkane, where unsaturated hydrocarbon is alkene and alkyne. The general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. The general formula of alkene CnH2n. The general formula of alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Alkane. First of all, we have discussion about alkane. General formula CnH2n plus 2. Alkanes, number of carbon atom atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Number of carbon atom if 1, then we put the value of n in this formula, so we get C1H 2 to the 4 plus 2 CH4, like 2 C2 H6, C3 H8, C4 H10, C5 H12, C6 H40. Name CH4. If number of carbon atom is 1, then we put the name meth. Here 4 hydrogen atom are attached with carbon atom, so it is only bonded with single bond. So like ANE, last term ANE, तो meth एक कार्बन के लिए लिखेंगे meth, उसके लिए ANE लगा देंगे बगल में. C2H6 दो कार्बन है, उसके लिए लगाएंगे eth, उसके बाद लगाएंगे ANE, prop ANE, but ANE, pent ANE, X ANE. These series are also known as homologous series. Homologous series. Homologous series means those series in which organic compound increases with 1 carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atom, like CH2. Here chemical formula of methane CH4 and ethane C2H6. The difference between these formula are 1 carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atom, like 14 units. We have also know that about CH2 means atomic mass of carbon 12, whereas atomic mass of hydrogen is 2 into 1 like 14 AMU or 14 unit. So we can say that the difference between 14 units between two organic compounds are known as homologous series. सेकेंड, अल्कीन. अल्कीन का जनरल फॉर्मूला होता है CnH2n. CnH2n. Put the number of carbon atom if 1, then we get hydrogen. Here 1 is not possible for methane, so we take number of carbon atom is 2. C2H4, C3, 3 to 6, C4H10, C5H10, C6H12. The IUPAC nomenclature of these organic compounds are it, but here double bond are formed because alkenes containing double bond and alkyne containing triple bond between two carbon atoms. So here IUPAC nomenclature of these compounds are C2H4, ethene, propene, butene, pentene, hexene. As shown for alkyne, the general formula of alkyne is CnH2n-2, C3H5 like ethyne, propyne, butane, pentyne and hexane, as so on. Before study the hydrocarbons, we have also know about the valency of carbon atom. So we have discussion about the valency of carbon atom. So carbon, atomic number of carbon is 6. So its electronic configuration (1s2, 2s2, 2p4). Since last electron field in the p block p subshell, so carbon is known as p block element. Block P. Valence electron. So we say the outermost number of electrons are present in outermost shell. Like here, 2 is the outermost shell or orbit. Shell is also known as orbit. So 2 and 4, total number of electrons 6. 6 electrons are present in outermost of orbit. So valence electron is 6. Valence electron is 4. Valency 4. यदि किसी भी एलिमेंट का वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन अगर 1 से 4 के बीच में होता है तो वही उसका वैलेंसी होता है, वेयर एज अगर 4 से अधिक होता है तो 8 से माइनस करेंगे तो वो उसका वैलेंसी निकलता है. Carbon have a 4 valency, so it is also known as tetravalency element. कार्बन के 4 वैलेंसी होते हैं, इसलिए इसको हम लोग टेट्रावैलेंसी भी एलिमेंट कहते हैं. If four valency are fulfilled with any elements, then its structure will be tetrahedral shape. Like we have also know that about CH4 like methane, CH4, but this structure is not right, है ना. इसको हम लोग टेट्राहेड्रल शेप में बनाएंगे. Bond angle between two elements 109 degree 28 minute. electrons of carbon. Electrons of carbon. Electrons of carbon, diamond, graphite, and Buckminster Fullerene. Buckminster Fullerene. This diamond is a bad conductor of metal, whereas graphite is a good conductor of electricity, heat and electricity. So डायमंड का स्ट्रक्चर जो होता है वो टेट्राहेड्रल होता है, शेप टेट्राहेड्रल शेप, वेयर ग्रेफाइट का जो शेप होता है हेक्सागोनल. Buckminster Fullerene like a football. Footballs containing C60 like number of carbon atoms are attached with 60 carbon atoms are attached with to form a football like Buckminster Fullerene, which is the electrons of carbon. Bad conductor, good conductor. बस इतना ही. और यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू. और कोई अगर क्वेश्चन अगर आपको रहे तो प्लीज़ इसको कमेंट में लिखकर सेंड कीजिए, आपको इसका पूरा आंसर दिया जाएगा. थैंक यू.